Welcome to Georgeway mathTV.
Oh, so I'm being asked to order these numbers right here. Alright, so I was taught this way. Okay, let me do the first one first. So what I have to do is, I have to know how many digits each one of these has right here. This one, I see 1, 2, 3, 4. It has 4 digits right there. That one has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This one has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And that one has 1, 2, 3, 4. So now, I know the more digits that I have, the bigger the number. The lesser the digits, the smaller the number. So out of these right here, how many, what's the lowest digits that I have? I see a 4 digits right there. And between these two, one of them comes first as the lowest, as I'm being asked to do. So this is 6,006, 7,083. So 6,000, 7,000, which one is the lowest? I know 6,000 is the lowest. So for sure, that is what I'm going to start with. 6,006 is my first number. So I'm done with that. Of course, I picked those two as my lowest. So if this one was my number 1, that should be my number 2. So 7,083 is my second lowest. So that is also done. Okay. And now between these two, this has 6 digits. That one has 5 digits. And I know that the more digits I have, the bigger it is. So 5 digits, 6 digits, and I'm doing least to greatest. The 5 digits should be less. So 88,163 is my next one. And that one is left. So that will be next. 580,666. That wasn't bad. Alright, so now let me do the next ones to make sure I really got this. So this next one right here too, I have 3 digits. That one, 1, 2, 3, 4. I have 4 digits. This one, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I got 5 digits. This one, I see 1, 2. I got 2 digits. So again, if I have few digits, that means it's the least. The more digits I have, is more. So 3 digits, 4, 5, 2. So the lowest one that I see is what? Is the 25. So that means I have to start with 25. Because I'm doing, again, from least to greatest, right? So I have my 25. And the next one, so let me just cancel so I know I'm done. The next one with the few or fewer digits is what? 3 digits right here. So 392. So I know for sure that should be next. 392. The next fewer digits is what? 4,290. It has 4 digits. So 4,290. And the last one, oh, let me just cancel these so I know I'm done. The last one is what? 10,000. So I got my 10,000. And that's it. So this.
Please don't forget to subscribe, tap the bell to be notified for new videos, and share.